So we're doing 2 different magnetic eyelashes. This is what I purchased, and
I purchased Tori Belle from a friend, so we are going to be comparing them.
yeah. So in my kit, you get this kind of setup. So it comes with a tool.
I have my own that I bought a long time ago.
You can join us here.
Yes, I will. So, from what I read on the Tori Belle, that you have to apply 2 or 3 coats and give it a minute to 2 in between to dry it off. So, this one comes with the liner, eyeliner, and the lashes, and I guess extra lashes in there as well.
Extra.
In case you lose some.
Oh, they're like individually.
So yours are a little bit longer, I see. I had an option to choose from many different options, so I chose the 9 to 5 look, which is more natural. I think they also have like shorter ones. But
Yeah, I don't know what this is, but
yeah, because I guess it has to hold. See, I already have an eyeliner, so I'm gonna put it on top. You want me to do your eyeliner?
I'm an artiste.
Look at the inside. Look, close it. Look what you did. I'm gonna get our keys for you.
This is what I get. Yeah, by all means, this is not a tutorial, because obviously I suck in basic application.
Why don't you remove whatever you did here?
It's everywhere already.
And I'm a timer for you.
My eye is burning.
Oh no.
It's in my eyeball.
Is it better?
I think I'm just gonna have to do this.
Because I think you put it on too low. Well, your eyes are a little bit different than mine. It's supposed to be easy.
Right, well. Can't trust this woman. Look at this.
I give you an extra Marilyn Monroe.
So I can put like hair on my cheek.
That's
Oh my god,
eyelash. That's what it's for.
it's very moist.
Yeah, so you gotta wait 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the Tori Belle magnetic eyeliner.
No,
Okay.
you shouldn't be rushing with this. 'Cause
No,
it's
definitely no rushing. Definitely not a quick. Okay. So I'll wait for mine. Let's try to apply yours. See how easy it is.
first the cheek.
First, here's one of my. We can try it. Let's see the tweeters.
Stop it.
Look. Guess it's not enough. Oh, there it is.
See?
Meow.
If you don't like them up here, you can put them anywhere you like. If you're missing some hair.
Oh my god. Oh jeez. Okay. No. Where'd you get those? Oh, there you go.
I mean,
Oh, it's nice. It's very nice. But you do need a mascara before you put this on.
yeah, you.
Okay, let me try.
I
to
don't
put
have
mine.
makeup on, so I only did.
Excuse me. No. My turn.
I just did the eyebrows, but it's easy to readjust it and like play with it.
I had the fake ones on once for Halloween. By the end of the party, the thing started coming off.
It just pulls off like bam.
Oh, this is good. That looks really good.
So I just have to.
Oh, it's coming off.
Yeah.
Do you want to put more eyeliner on the inside?
Oh.
In the back, like on the edges.
Yeah, backwards.
Yeah, this one's coming off.
Yeah, I know.
completely. Or maybe start on the edge first. And then go from there.
Oh, no.
See?
This one is not even. Fly me to the moon. Alright, this is not working. I mean, I like this one. But the other one is. Yeah, these are not sticky. Alright, let's see what you're doing.
I still have 20 seconds. So I did 2 coats of the eyeliner. And I already had my eyeliner on too, so. Because that's how I do it every day. So this is my right. These look more natural compared to yours.
Yeah,
These are the ones that Martha had on.
Yeah.
So I like a more natural look. So obviously you didn't know what you were buying.
No.
Right? As long as this thing stays.
Stays, right. It feels
Not
like you
like
have to.
You're on a date and the freaking thing starts popping off.
It's like, I'm sorry. Oh, where's my lunch? It's in
your
my martini.
it's in your soup.
Or soup, yes.
Oh my gosh, what is that? A spider? Okay, so okay, so mine are on. It looks weird. Yeah, I don't think I'm a fan. Doing this before work? I don't think so.
Yeah.
Maybe if we had more, I don't know, more time.
But that's what I was hoping for, that you can just, you know, pop them in and go out the door. Well, yeah, this looks like
Clean up my corners.
yeah, this is as good as it's gonna get.
You know, if you go to a club, no one will tell because it's so dark. And
I don't know. There's something wrong with them.
Can you return that?
Yeah.
Last time I did my eyelash extensions. The next day, my eyeballs were popping out. I couldn't see anything. They were like this big. Yeah, well, there goes $50. Should I go like that to the restaurant?
Yeah, just put them on, see how they feel.
Yeah. If anything, I'll just take them off and put my sunglasses on. I love long eyelashes because they beautify your whole eye and the eyeliner. But if I would have to go through this struggle, and I don't know, or maybe you just have to get used to it. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you and your eyelashes leave?
You and your eyelashes are not welcome here.
It's a hazard. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them on. I just added a little bit more eyeliner on the inside. This is the 9 to 5 look. We shall see if it's gonna last 12 to 5.
Yeah. Mine, no bueno.
All right, girls. Girls.
Yeah. Fail for me, she's still trying.